สวัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe if you are new here welcome to my Thai cooking channel make sure to subscribe like that you will never miss a recipe so today I will show you guys how to make Prik Gaeng Ped. It is Thai red curry paste that is super easy and super tasty. And this paste can cook with many different recipes. Alright, are you ready? Let's cook! We are going to finely chop everything except shrimp paste, of course. I forgot to buy Kaffir lamb, so today I will use lamb instead. But if you can, it's even better with Kaffir lamb. Just slice off the skin, thinly slice, and chop it. There is something else that you can chop. Chop that like button. Cilantro roots are not mandatory, but it's better to use it. That will give an even better smell to your paste. I will cut the stem of lemongrass first, then remove the first 3 to 4 hard layers. I like to use only the purple part that's close from the root because that's the more fragrant part. About galangal, I know it's not easy to find everywhere, so if you really can't find any, it's okay to use ginger or finger root instead. The taste will not be exactly the same, but it will still be good, don't worry. Now comes the dangerous part, at least for me. That always makes me cry, but I really cannot make any paste without shallots. I like to remove the midrib, don't ask me why, I'm not sure. I just remember from my grandmom's teaching. If you make a paste to use it right now, I recommend you to soak the chilies in warm water for about 10 minutes until it's soft. That will help you to make a paste easier. If you make a paste to use it 2 days after, 3 days after, or want to keep it longer, I recommend you no need to soak the chili in water. Just use it like that. The only thing is you have to make sure that you cut it very fine because the dry chili, the outside skin is very hard. Did you know that red curry paste is actually the base for all the other curries? Khao Soi, massaman, or even green curry, they are all built upon red curry as a base. So if you know this one, you are already halfway for the other curries. Once we prepare everything already, now we are going to make a paste. Follow my step. I will show you what we should pound it first. We are going to peel the garlic by smash it and set aside. For the first round, let's add cilantro roots and lamb skin. Pound until it's fine. By the way, if you don't have much time or if you don't have a mortar, using a food processor or a blender is totally fine. Tell me in the comments, do you usually use a mortar or do you prefer using a blender? Next, I will add lemongrass and dry chilies. Did you notice that I started with tough fibrous herbs and did not put them all at once? That's because if I would, that would take a lot of time and be very hard to get everything pounded nicely. Now I add Kaffir lamb leaf, galangal, and salt. Remember when I said in the beginning that this red curry paste is a base for other curries? Well, if you've never seen my Khao Soi recipe, go have a look. You will see I'm following the exact same steps, but using a blender instead of mortar. It's time for soft herbs, shallots, and garlic. Once you feel that the paste starts to be difficult to pound because it's getting too wet, add some salt. That will help to absorb any of the unwanted liquids in there. Now, I add the shrimp paste. I will just pound to mix. Basically, it's made of fermented krill. It's very savory, umami, and a powerful mixture of seafood and sea salt. I hope you guys will make it at home because it's easy and it's worth our effort and our time for sure. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย